Where you going, little one? Where are you going? He's gonna be walking soon. Yes, you are. Sammy, go away. No daddies allowed. Samson out. Oh, that's just too cute. That's just too cute. Put a little light on it so we can see the little black ones. So they don't get lost in the shadow. Pretty baby. Pretty baby. Oh, you're just a cutum. You're just a cutum. Are you posing in your sleep? I think you're posing in your sleep. Sammy, out. She's gonna knock you out if you come in here with her babies. Just 'cause you're the baby daddy don't mean you get to come in here like that. Look at the baby sleeping. They're so cute. They're my grandbabies. Why am I sitting here looking at you? I need to be in bed and sound asleep for work in the morning. Yes, I do, but you're so cute. You're so cute. Listen to the peanut gallery out there. They're just jealous. They're just jealous.
No.